today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the swaps. And this code is going to be showing you how to one-hand shotgun. So right now I'm going to have to go team select. Alright. Shotgun. Alright. So this is a pretty cool glitch. It's pretty basic. All you do is press this. See the weapon? Shoot midway through. Now how long you wait is how long your hand extends. See how my hand is all the way up there? Now if I go like this, reload it, and alright, see the animation? That's pretty much it. It's pretty cool because you can see the whole gun. It looks like you're holding a gun from like basically you're like nowhere, just like a person like got their arm has a gun. So you guys can use this to your advantage by shocking your foes, so you're holding a shotgun with one hand and firing with one hand, which is freaking impossible because you're using a shotgun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys